Hello everyone, and this capstone project for full stack web development. We are the two team member. My name is Hemant Soni and Dikshant. We build this application. Uh, the name of our application is Happy Sales. It's uh, basically electronic online shopping web application where user can sign up and purchase any item. Uh, so this is our basic layout basic layout of Happy Sales web application. As you can see, and first of all, I want to let you know that for front end we use the React and the Redux, and for backend API I use the Node.js, Express.js, and for database I use the MongoDB. Uh, in our application on the home page we have five main route pages: home, shop, cart, sign in, and sign up. So this is our home page. When user visit to our site, as is, we have already deployed it on Heroku, so it will come here and he can browse on it, as the new arrival items will be shown here, uh, and the bestseller item will be come here. Okay, and we have not added much product till now, but in future we will add more project. This is the home page. First of all, user will come here and he will maybe like some product, or willing to buy some product. So first of all, he have to sign up, go to the sign up page, and he will sign up here. And like this, if I am not giving any name or anything, if we submit this, and then the name is required, so let's give a name like Heyman Sony. And if I not able to give an email address or password, then again a error will come, and after that I will assign one new Sony at the rate yahoo.com. And if I don't give the password, again it will give me an error that password is required. And after that, if I give a password here, okay, this I will submit. And so I sign up successfully. As the message is come, your account is created, and you have to go to sign in. So here we will give our email address, okay, at the rate yahoo.com. If I don't give the email address, and the password is not given, then it will show me an error. If I give any random password here, then again to show me an error. Also, next time I will give a correct password that we have given right now. Okay, and we successfully logged in, and after logging in successfully, we will move to our dashboard. Here the user information, the name, user, and registered user, and the purchase history will come here. And as you can, if user have purchased something or nothing, then it will come here, and it will say to continue, go to shopping. Okay, so this is the shop page. The all the category and everything will be shown here. The product is shown here. I have used the filter also. If I only click on the filter, then only laptop category will be shown here. And if I deselect it and select only mobile, then only mobile category will be shown. So this is the basic layout. If I want to show the complete information of the product, then I will click on the view product. The complete information about the product will be shown here. And if a user want to add it into the cart, then if you click on the add cart, so the product will be automatically go to the cart. And here you can see the cart summary is here, and the total price of the product, and the product detail, and the delivery address and checkout. We have also joined the uh, card payment with it. Okay, if I want to increase the quantity from 1 to 2, the price also increase, and I want to just decrease it. So here we can decrease it, and if I want to remove the product, and we can remove. Okay, so now I again go to the shop, and now I am going to select here, select add cart. If I cart here and uh, done this thing here, okay, and after that this is the product detail, and if the user want to purchase this item, so he can give the delivery address or enter the pay card. It's a dummy but not functionally working right now, but we have integrated later on. In future we will add new payment system inside it. Okay, this is the thing here. And after that I just want to show that if this is the dashboard of user. If user want to update his profile, so he can update from his name, like I want to delete this my surname from here, and the email should be same, and I want to update my I want to update your password or not, it's your wish, user's wish. And if I go to submit it, the my user information will be updated right now. If I purchase something, the purchase history of the user will become here. And we have two type of authentication here. Okay, and the first one is user authentication, and the second one is admin authentication. Let me browse to the admin authentication. Then I will go to the sign in. As this is, I will enter the admin username and password. Okay, for the admin, and entering the password here. So, so this is the admin dashboard. Admin, the adding the new category or creating a new product, or doing the all orders that a user on different type of user is given, it will be shown here. And the manage product, if I managing to some product, I can do here. Like if I want to create a new category here, uh, I want to add a new category like gaming. So I just have to click on this, and the new gaming category creator, as we can see this gaming category in the shopping, the new gaming category is shown here. And if I select it right now, the gaming category don't have any product, so it will not shown here. So I will go back to my dashboard again. If I create any product, so the admin will choose the photo description, name, description, and price, and this thing here. Like I'm randomly choosing something to do. Okay, like this. If I'm choosing this pick for the product, and product name is new game. Okay, description about I'm giving something like play, and if I given the price, it's like 20,000, and I will uh, giving the category also here. And as you can see, the all the category and the gaming category we have created, it will come here. And now I'm going to shipping, yes. Okay, and the quantity right now, the available quantity, like I'm giving to 100, and I'm just clicking on the create product. So this is loading, and new product will be shown to us. Okay, the new game product is created, is showing, giving the message here. As we can go to our shop, so the different product will be shown, that the game product will be come up here. Okay, and this is the new product, and I will go back to my dashboard again. So the view order is here. If any user is given any order, then all the order will be shown here. And if I want to manage the products, so the all the product will be shown here. HP, OnePlus, new game, two different. I click two times, that's why I created multiple time. So if I want to delete any product, like this is multiple used here, or if I want to update or I delete, and then it will delete the product. And if I want to delete the laptop also, so I just click on it, and the product is deleted, and this is the shop, and now we can see only two different type of product. So this is the overall our full stack web application that we have created right now. And in future we are adding more features, like there is if there is some bugs, or we can correct it, adding the more category and adding the payment system, and making the UI much better and the user experience more efficient. So hopefully in future we will add this feature, and that's it from my side, and thank you very much.